Old bumper stickers can make your car look messy or outdated. Removing them properly not only restores a clean appearance, but also ensures the paint stays safe and scratch-free. WD-40 helps loosen adhesive residue, making bumper sticker removal easier and safer without damaging your car paint. Spray WD-40 over the bumper sticker and let it soak for about 60 seconds. Then take a razor blade and slowly begin peeling away the edge of the sticker. Once you lift part of the sticker with the razor blade, continue peeling it off gently with your hand. You can apply more WD-40 as needed to loosen the sticker. Use both the razor blade and your hand together to make the process easier and to avoid leaving residue behind. After the sticker is removed, spray WD-40 over any remaining glue residue. Carefully scrape the residue off using a razor blade. Make sure your razor blade is brand new to prevent scratches on your car paint. Once all residue is removed, wipe the area clean with a microfiber cloth. This method effectively removes bumper stickers from your car with minimal effort and no leftover residue. Using a heat gun is another effective method to remove a bumper sticker. Heat the sticker with the heat gun to loosen the adhesive. Move the heat gun continuously from left to right and avoid holding it in one spot to prevent paint damage. Heat the sticker for about 5 to 6 minutes until it becomes soft. Once heated, use a plastic scraper to gently lift and peel the sticker. Continue applying heat as you peel to make removal easier and prevent the sticker from tearing. Once the sticker is removed, use Glue Gun to remove any remaining adhesive residue. Pour it onto a paper towel, then gently wipe the affected area on the car. This method will leave your bumper clean and free of sticker residue. Hot water softens the sticker adhesive, allowing bumper stickers to be peeled off smoothly with less effort. Fill a bowl with hot water at about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip a clean rag into the hot water, then place it directly over the bumper sticker. Carefully pour some of the hot water over the rag and let it sit on the sticker for about 3 minutes. The heat will soften the adhesive and make removal easier. Next, use a razor blade to gently peel off the sticker. You will notice it comes off quickly and with minimal effort. After the sticker is removed, apply dish soap to the rag and wipe the car surface to remove any remaining residue, leaving the area clean and smooth. By following these methods, you will easily remove bumper stickers and adhesive residue, leaving your car surface spotless and damage-free.